So in this question, two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from external point T. Now we have to prove that angle PTQ is equal to 2 times angle OPQ. So let me draw the circle first. Now here external point is T. So this will be our external point, and TP is one tangent and TQ is another tangent, and O is the center of circle. Now what we have to prove? We need to prove that so let me take another ink. Yeah, so this is angle PTQ, this is angle PTQ, and this is angle OPQ. So this will be angle OPQ. So we need to prove that angle PTQ is double the angle OPQ. So let this angle is X and this angle is Y. So what we have to prove? We have to prove angle X is equal to 2 times angle Y, right? This is PTQ and this is OPQ. So in the question it was clearly asked that to prove that angle PTQ is 2 times OPQ. Okay, now we need to prove this. X is equal to 2y. Okay, now see this triangle. Now we know that TP and OP are perpendicular because tangent is always perpendicular to radius, right? So therefore from theorem 10.1, TP is perpendicular to OP. TP is perpendicular to OP. So this entire angle will be 90 degrees. Okay, now what will be this part of angle? TPQ. So therefore angle TPQ is equal to this is y, total is 90, so that will be 90 minus y. I think you got my point, right? So this total angle is 90 and this angle is y, so this will be 90 minus y. And if this is 90 minus y, this would also be 90 minus y. Reason is this is isosceles triangle because TP and TQ are equal. Why? According to theorem 10.2, two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal, right? So TP is equal to TQ. If two sides are equal, automatically it will become isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then opposite angles are also equal. So if this is 90 minus y, this would also be 90 minus y. Now from triangle TPQ, angle X plus 90 minus y plus this will also be 90 minus y should be equal to 180 because sum of angles in a triangle is always equal to 180. I'll write this reason. Angle PQT is also equal to 90 minus y because isosceles. Okay, now in triangle TPQ all the three angles will become 180. So X plus 180 minus 2y is equal to 180. So 180 gets cancelled. X is equal to 2y. That's it. That's what we have to prove. So therefore angle PTQ is equal to 2 times angle OPQ. That's it. Very simple.